Thank you all for your patience. I know you've looked to talk to us most of the week. We've been in trial. We're obviously disappointed with the verdict. We're obviously disappointed with yesterday's order. That being said, anytime a jury convenes and renders a decision, that is our system. That what's allowing a private citizen like Governor Palin or anyone to seek redress against a giant media company that wields so much power. In that respect, I'm exceptionally proud of our team, starting with my partner Shane Vogt, who worked tirelessly over 5 years and brilliantly to get this case to trial. I'm proud of our people back home in Tampa who are working with us, Dave Hayes, Gail Arnold, Lisa Merriweather, who've been on this train for 5 years. It took a long time to get here. And in that respect, I'm most proud of Governor Palin, whose strength and resolve and courage to pick a fight with the New York Times in New York City in the Southern District of New York is, in my opinion, what the system is about. We obviously have our own view of the evidence and the law and the facts that came out during this trial. And as you all have done all week and last week, you gleaned from it what you gleaned. We're going to evaluate all our options for appeal, all of our options for any further motion practice in court at the trial level, and take it from there. But thank you guys for your patience this week. I know you've tried to talk to us a bunch, and we haven't talked very much till now, but that's all we have for now. Governor Palin is not going to be making any comments. I'm not going to answer questions about the court. Whether we agree with what a court does or disagree, we respect what a court does. Obviously, we felt yesterday's order was disappointing from our perspective. It was premature, but nonetheless, that's what a judge does, and we have to live by those rules. We can't come into court, seek redress, seek jury trials, and then complain about the hand the system plays us. We complain about that at the next level. And that's what we did earlier in this case, and we'll evaluate our positions. This is not like the simplest area of law in the world. Procedurally, substantively, there's an awful lot that goes on here, so we're going to take a look at all that. It means exactly what I said. It means we're going to evaluate all of our options in a very complex area of the law, both procedurally and substantively. These aren't the kind of decisions you're going to make overnight. If I had to guess, do I think we will appeal some issues relating to this process? Yes, but we'll have further on that down the road. And when you'll find out is when we file a notice of appeal. That's sort of how that part works.
Why did you choose to sue in New York? Was that a good
I'm not going to answer that. I mean, that's something beyond the sort of scope of what we talk about out here. And Hafiz is ready. Okay, listen, thank y'all very much, and thank you for your professionalism.
Thank you, guys.